In this video, I'll show you how to use a VPN on a Vivo mobile phone. And for this tutorial, I'll be using NordVPN because it's the best option for Vivo users in terms of speed, privacy, and ease of use. Before you begin, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along step by step. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for NordVPN. Tap Install and wait for the app to download. Once it's installed, open it and either create a new account or log into your existing one. The app is very easy to use, even if you've never used a VPN before. You'll see a simple map and a Quick Connect button. Tapping Quick Connect will automatically connect you to the fastest and most stable server based on your current location. Great if you just want instant protection and don't feel like adjusting any settings. If you want more control, tap the server list. NordVPN has thousands of high-speed servers across the world, so whether you want to unblock streaming platforms, browse privately, or access websites restricted in your region, you can choose the country you need in just a few seconds. Switching servers is quick and smooth, and thanks to NordVPN's NordLynx protocol, the connection speed is extremely fast, with almost no slowdown. NordVPN also comes with additional features that are helpful on mobile. You can enable the kill switch so your internet shuts off automatically if the VPN disconnects, preventing your data from leaking. There's also threat protection, which blocks harmful websites, trackers, and annoying ads before they load, making browsing safer and faster. If you're in a restricted network or need to bypass VPN blocks, NordVPN offers obfuscated servers that are designed to avoid detection and keep your connection working smoothly. Another thing that makes NordVPN great is Auto Connect. You can set it to automatically turn on whenever you join a new Wi-Fi network, especially useful if you connect to public hotspots in cafes, malls, schools, or airports where your data could easily be intercepted. And that's all you need to do. Your Vivo Mobile is now protected with one of the fastest and most secure VPNs available. NordVPN gives you smooth streaming, safer browsing, access to restricted content, and strong privacy with just a few taps. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start using it on your Vivo Mobile.